We've got just a little over 2. So yeah, 1 to 6 dilution. Cool, damn, I nailed it. Good, so then we'll shake it up. Yeah, I roll it. I think I find...
Oh, like this?
Yeah. And then prep the glass here. Grab that there. I'm gonna leave you alone. I keep taking over. So Mackenze, this is day 1 of gardens in glass soil microscopy with iGrow soil. And we need a name for Mackenze.
Dr. Mackenze.
Dr. Mackenze.
Kidding.
No. You might as well put it out there to the universe. Don't you want to be in the medical field?
Yeah.
Good. So she's putting, we're using 60 millimeter slide covers. This is why we've got 4 drops. Perfect. Just do it. You can't go wrong here. Whatever it is, we can fix. Oh, you see how we got that, everything just kind of spread out on the glass?
Yeah.
So that was really good. And then I would put that at 100 first. Go ahead and sit it on the stage. 100. You can even go to 40. It'll give you more room to move. And they'll teach you to dial in at 40. I personally usually go to 100. So here we are. So then go ahead and focus it in. And yeah, let's move it. Let's start. So from here, we can actually go to 100. Yeah, and then now we just start looking for stuff. So we've got, again, organic matter here. I don't know what these are. I can't tell what that is, but we'll keep pushing. So look, we've already got something happening here. We've got a testate amoeba there already. We've got something here. I'm not sure what that is, right? We've got a spore here. So right away, we're jumping off that pile. Pretty solid. Going.
Ooh, something moving.
Yeah, we got, what are we looking at? We're looking at a flagellate. Ciliate. Which is cool, not a problem. Now, remember what I was telling you earlier, the sample that's waterlogged, we had a bunch of things moving like that. This is where we start getting into problems. But here, we are good. So, would you call that fungal?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, why?
Because it has the little breaks.
The septa, right? Hand is uniformed.
Yeah.
It's got that light brown color, although, when they start, they're not light brown, but that's a wonderful piece. You've got septa here, here, here. So you got a uniform septa in it. You got a big piece of fun. And then again, look how even it is, right? It's very it's just the width of it is there. So yeah. And then what about that? Potential spore, right?
Yeah. And that's all bacteria around it, right?
It's all bacteria around it. We got a rotifer. Yeah, focus in on him. Or it.
There's my favorite.
Yeah, same here.
Oops.
Other way.
You're all right.
I'm trying
Try to get clearer and follow it.
They move slow, but they have the ability to fly through the screen.
He's
But
gonna do something funny when he stops.
Oh.
yeah, right. So that's the same test that I think. Yeah, you can still focus on him and get a clearer shot of him. Yeah, there you go.
Is that better?
Yep.
Clear.
He's moving in and out though.
Yeah.
So put him in the middle and then move to 400 or 40x, 400 time magnification. So go to the blue stripe.
He's moving so fast.
He's all right. He's gonna move.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, we lost him. You can jump back out. Ooh,
Oh.
look at that. Look at how big that nematode is. That's at 100 time magnification. That is huge. We want to try to focus in on his mouth part.
Probably a bacterial feeder, but I don't see
Yeah,
it.
dude, that is a big nematode.
Oh.
That's cool.
How about that?
That's
Right?
really cool.
Yeah. Roundworm. So it's probably a bacterial feeder.
Most likely.
Yeah.
But usually
Because his mouth, you see, his mouth kind of tapers off.
Yeah.
So usually the herbivores have a wider mouth. Now, oh, we don't want to hit him with that.
And like there's a tube that, like some of them, but you know,
Yeah, no, definitely not that
that's
guy.
probably bacteria.
And then you can see
It's all
bacteria
bacteria.
in him.
It might poop soon.
Cool. Well, we got to move it to.
Hand lifting up one of these pots.
Yeah.